Thanks for joining us to celebrate this first World Information Architecture Day. I'm Jorge Arango, the Thematic Chair for this year's event. This is the Yi Ying, or Book of Changes. It's one of the oldest texts in the world. Some parts are said to be almost 5,000 years old. Now you would expect that when you have a book that old, it would have to be read linearly from front to back like a scroll. But the Yi Ying is not linear at all. It actually has this very interesting and peculiar structure. It's organized around these 64 discrete units called hexagrams. Each hexagram is a symbol that describes a different quality of change. And when you're going to use the Yi Ying, you don't turn to the first hexagram, move on to the second one, the third one, and so on. What you actually do is that you toss coins or use some other random means for arriving at a hexagram. Some coin tosses also reveal a link between that first hexagram and the second one. And those links have particular meanings within the structure of the Yi Ying. They're supposed to reveal different aspects of the question you've asked. It's like a Neolithic version of Google's "I'm feeling lucky" feature. I believe the Yi Ying is the first work of information architecture. It has content in these hexagrams that I've talked about, and it has a very particular structure that reveals meaning to its users. It also has intentionality. Someone actually gave it this content and this structure, and those are the things that make it unique and valuable. I bring this up because I think we can sometimes forget that information architecture is not tied to a particular technology. While it's true that this is a field born from the internet, information is all around us. It's like the Force in the Star Wars movies. It surrounds us, it penetrates us, it binds the galaxy together, and there's more of it every year. Of course, we're very lucky to be living in a time when there's so much information available to so many people around the world. The problem is that when there's so much stuff out there, it becomes hard for you to find what you're looking for and to make sense of it once you do find it. Take, for example, this shopping mall. This is like a coral reef of symbolic information, all of it competing for your attention. Some information elements are designed to help you navigate the environment safely. Some are there to educate you. Some are meant to distract you or entertain you. Some show you metadata about the place. Some offer you links onto other information environments. And some, a lot of them, have been designed to influence your behavior for purely commercial reasons. The relationship between these information elements, things like their labels, sizes, locations, and proximity to other elements, makes them easy to understand, or in some cases, not so easy. When elements are harmoniously composed, you can quickly make sense of what you're looking at. However, when they mash together in a haphazard way, you can become disoriented and start making poor decisions. The problem is that there's too much information and not enough architecture. We face this same problem when we're creating digital information spaces. There's a lot of stuff competing for the user's attention, and most projects are shaped by forces that pull them in different directions, such as cultural constraints, business objectives, usability factors, and so on. I believe it's the information architect's responsibility to bring these forces into balance so that the user can find what she's looking for and understand it once she does. One of the hexagrams in the Yi Ying is called the well. It states that the town may be changed, but the well cannot be changed. What this means is that there are some things in our lives that tap into deep truths. They are timeless and don't change, even as the technologies that support them and the activities they enable change around them. I've been producing digital artifacts professionally for the past 18 years, everything from CD-ROMs to HTML5 web apps. And in my career, information architecture has been the well. The tools, techniques, the methodologies, the deliverables, those all change, but the well remains unchanged. For me, information architecture has always been about helping people find and understand things. Whether it's the cancer they've just been diagnosed with, or which camera they're going to buy next, people have more information choices available to them today than ever before. They need to be able to find the stuff they're looking for and understand it once they do. That's where information architecture adds value to the world, and it's why I'm proud to call myself an information architect. Thanks again for joining us. I hope you enjoyed today's event, and I hope it's the first of many more to come.